Good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fabian Azahra and I will show you about our innovation. Do you know Indonesia? Yes, Indonesia is an agricultural country. The results of this sector are widely used by many people. For example, mung beans are processed into bakpia. According to the Central Statistics Agency, the amount of mung beans production reached 523.8 tons in special region of Yogyakarta. From this data, it can be concluded that the result of mung bean peel waste is very large. Until now, mung bean peel waste hasn't been used optimally. In fact, mung bean peel waste can made into flour because it contains a lot of nutrients such as protein 13.56%, fiber 33.07%, and fat 0.22%. Why must it be processed into flour? Because Indonesia is increasing number of wheat flour consumption from year to year, and Indonesia continues to import wheat flour from other countries. Since 2018, Indonesia has become the world's largest wheat importer with a total of 10 million tons. From the issue, we have smart solution. It is the utilization of mung bean peels to make food product, NOOBEL or Noodle from mung bean peels to support creative economic activities. Noodles are food which can be consumed by all people and it can be served easily. So, if we make noodle from mung bean peel waste, we can reduce the number of wheat import in Indonesia. Therefore, we hope that Noodle will increase the economic value of mung bean peel waste and Noodle are liked by many people.
I'm Cornelia Kajapala and I want to present about research settings. The sample that we used is mung beans peel. This research was conducted at APIC Laboratory SMTI Yogyakarta and Chemix Pratama Laboratory Yogyakarta from July to October 2019. The subject of this research is noodle from mung beans peel, and the object outlines the bone variables of this research are protein, fat, water, fiber, and carbohydrate content of noodle from mung beans peel. The three variables are the percentage for additions of 0%, 20%, 40%, 60%, and 80% of mung beans peel flour in Noodle. Here are the equipment and ingredients that we used in this research. The process of making mung beans peel flour. First, wash mung beans peel until clean, then dry in the oven. Next, refine with blender and sieve until it gets a fine powder called mung beans peel flour. Here is a comparison formulation of Noodle. In all variations, we used an egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 200 ml of hot water. For the control variation, we don't add mung beans peel flour. We used 150 gram wheat flour because the control variation is used as a guideline for the next formulation. At variations of 1 to 4, we used mung beans peel flour as much as 30, 60, 90, and 120 grams. Noodle from mung beans peel is made by mixing all the ingredients until completely combined, then knead until smooth. Next, mold the dough to noodle form, steam for 30 minutes. After it has cooked, dry in the oven for 15 minutes in 110 degrees Celsius, and it becomes noodle from mung beans peel.
My name is Peter Ivan Devara and I'm going to present about result and discussion. Based on the result and discussion for nutrient content of NOOBEL, noodle from mung beans peel, the best protein content is achieved by the fourth formula with 16.58%. It is the best formula because it has a high GS value and protein is used to regenerate the broken cell of body. Next nutrient is fat. Fat is needed for body as an energy resource, but if too much, it can be a cholesterol. From that statement, we have decided the fourth formula as the best fat content with 31.20%. Then, moisture or water content. Water content impacts to texture and shelf life of the product. In this study, type of the product is dried food. So that the best formula, the best water content is the fourth formula with 20.05%. Because with the least water content, it makes the shelf life of the product will be longer. We are going to the next nutrient, fiber content. The best fiber content is reached by the fourth formula. Fiber is used to maintain your digestive system. So the best is the best high GS fiber content with 4.84%. The main energy source of the body is produced by carbohydrate. Mung bean spill makes the carbohydrate content of the product increase. The highest carbohydrate content is in the fourth formula with 68.37%, also as the best formula. We have done the sensory evaluation with hedonic test for 20 panelists, and the results shows the most preferred formula is the first formula with texture, shape, color, and taste. We use break-even point as an economic analysis. With total cost 543,000 rupiahs, the point is 5 production and each produces 15 package with price 8,000 rupiahs per package. The conclusion that we get are, first, the best nutrient is achieved by the fourth formula. The most preferred formula is the first formula. And the third, the economic analysis by break-even point, the point is 5 production, for each produces 15 package with price 8,000 rupiahs per package. Thank you for your attention. From small things, we can make change for the world.